Hi, and welcome to NIEHub's online video tutorials, part 2 of our green wrapping Christmas. Today, we're going to talk about those really expensive bows you buy in the bag for $3 or $4. I'm going to show you how to make them yourself using magazines and felt and any other materials that you can staple together and glue. Materials that you're going to need are a handy stapler, some glue dots, and a pair of really good scissors. You might also need a ruler if you're going to use newspaper or anything bigger than an 8.5 by 11 size. So, to get started, you're going to take your 8.5 by 11 and measure out 9 3/4 inch strips. Once you get those cut out, you're going to take strip 4 through 6 and you're going to cut off 1 inch for each strip. Strip 7 and 8, you're going to cut off 2 inches. And strip 9, you're going to cut all the way down to 3.5 inches. Now don't worry if you didn't get all that. I've got a downloadable tutorial that will make it super simple with step-by-step instructions and pictures for reference. Take your smallest strip and you're going to roll it up into a circle. Take your stapler and you're just going to staple the ends together so that you end up with a little loop. Set that one aside. Take your next strip and you're going to pinch it in the middle, take the top, roll it down, and then flip it over so that you end up with sort of an inverted loop. Then you're going to take the bottom piece and do the exact same thing so that you end up with a figure 8. Take your stapler and staple it in the center. Continue on folding and stapling your loops until you get all the way down to your last loop. Once you're on your last strip, you'll go ahead and staple it, and then you want to reach for your glue dots. You'll take your first 3, strips 1 through 3, and you're going to take a glue dot and set a glue dot in the center of each one of those loops. If you don't have glue dots, you can hot glue them, and you can use Elmer's glue, but it will take a little bit longer for them to set up, so you don't want to attach it to your package right away. So, now that you've got your 3 glue dots put into your bottom, you're just going to offset them slightly for the base of your bow. Then you're going to take your next smallest size and continue rotating them around until you get all the way down to your little loop. Once you get down to your little loop, you'll just set it right there in the center of your last figure 8. And there you go. Don't forget to download the PDF tutorial with great ideas for wrapping your recycled, repurposed, and reused gifts. Join us next time and we'll talk about other ways to decorate your DIY green wrapping.